In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your website in 4 easy ways that won't take more than 5 minutes. Whether you want to create a simple link or add an embedded widget, Calendly provides a variety of convenient options. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to calendly.com. If you don't already have an account, just sign up. But if you do, go ahead and click on Login at the top right of your screen. You'll need to enter your email address first and then click Continue. It's simple and straightforward. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to enter your password. After entering it, click Continue again and you're in. Next, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. This is where it all begins in terms of setting up the events you want to share. Now, you'll want to select an event type from the list available to you, click on the event you want to share, and then look for the Share button, typically located near your event details. Click on Share. When you click Share, you'll see a couple of different options. One way is to simply share a link. This is very straightforward. Click on Share a link, and then you'll see an option to Copy Link. Click on that, and your Calendly link is ready to be pasted wherever you need it on your website. If a simple link isn't quite what you want, you also have the option to embed Calendly directly onto your page. Let's explore how to do this with an inline embed. Still under the Share options, click on Add to Website. Here you'll find different embedding options. Choose Inline Embed and then click Continue. Calendly will provide you with a code. Click Copy Code and then paste this HTML code to the designated area on your website's backend. Maybe you prefer something a little less static, like a pop-up widget. No worries, Calendly has you covered there too. Under Add to Website, select the pop-up widget, then hit Continue. Just as before, Calendly will generate a snippet of code. Click Copy Code and paste this into your website's HTML where you want the widget to appear. Lastly, there's the option for a pop-up text. This method works similarly to the widget. Select pop-up text under the Add to Website options, click Continue, then copy code, and again paste it right into your website. And there you have it. With these steps, you've seamlessly integrated Calendly with your site. This way you can make scheduling easier and more efficient for both you and anyone wanting to book time with you. Thanks for following along.